Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you the bank management system using Python. Okay, and we are using the Tkinter library for developing the user interface. So this is the complete project. Let's open the terminal and run main.py file. It will open the login page. User have to enter the account number and the password. So first you have to register. I'm just giving the demo details. Like you have to enter the first name, second name, create password, and you have to enter your date of birth, mobile number, email ID. I'm just giving the demo email ID and enter your Emirates ID number. Address, type of account, like current account or same account. So I'm just selecting current account, and the password length minimum 6. Yeah, Emirates number will be 15. Click on the submit button. So it will generate the account number. Like congratulations, your account number is. So I'm just writing anywhere that particular account number. So we have to log in with that particular account number and the password. Click on the OK, and now just write the account number and enter the password. Then click on the sign in button. So it will open the home page. Now there's different options. So just check out one by one. So balance, inquiry, 500 rupees. The transfer, like we have to enter the amount and enter account number. So just click on the confirm, and we have to enter the password. Then click on the sign in button. So transaction successful. We can also change the PIN. First you have to enter the password. Then click on the confirm button, and again password, and just click on the sign in button. So password change successful. Please OK to log out. Now I'm just again entering the account number and password, the updated password, and click on sign in button. So you can enter the joint details, account, full name, and you can set the password for the joint account. I'm just entering the password and click on the confirm. Now we have to enter the password and click on the sign in. So this joint account number, you can also update the details. Whatever you have to do any changes, first you have to enter the password. So you can update the details from here. This is the cash deposit. If you want to deposit any cash, like 250, continue, successful transaction. Okay, cash withdrawal. You have to enter the amount and click on confirm. Then you have to again password, enter the password, and then click on the sign in button. Transaction successful. So it will show the history, like debit transfer, carried, and debit. It will show the complete history. This is the help support. You have to enter the password and then click on the sign in button. Is the request to call back and request account information. So this is the complete information. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.